So then I was asking you, there is a home page for HTML, and then there are another 2-3 files are there. So from home page to those files to link, so that you can jump from here to there to here, like that, to make a home like a website. And just it's a very brief one, right? So I think we have done it, but some of them are get left because of the power cut. But anyhow, this we have done it early also, right? I didn't remember you get the same thing that early also we have done it. Anyhow, so shall we move the forward now from the lesson? So can you switch or can you look turn your book, the lesson number last lesson? Can you turn your book and see? Now in this is the lesson we were talking about, and this is the last lesson we are doing here. So I won't just go through this by you looking at the book, right? So we know what is search engine. Search engine is the software which we use to find out the information in the internet. No, information in the internet. So we use that software is called search engine. So there are many search engine in the internet. So one is Google, MNS, Yahoo, Bing, About, Ask. All these are called search engines. Sorry, right. In the first say, example for the search engine. So we were talking about. Then use of internet to explain the information, right? Explore the information. So how do we going to use the internet, right? So we use the web browsers to search everything, right? I mean search engines. So there are many icons and many things that we are using in the web browser. And these are the things that we were talking about. Then we were talking about what is hyperlink. Hyperlink is the link that when we click it, so we can open some other things, right? So from one place to another place we can jump it, right? That is called hyperlink. So we have done it, hyperlink, to change from one HTML file to the other HTML file. Then after that we were talking about what is forward backward means. What is forward backwards means. Then in web browser we have tabs. Tabs means a certain in the same window certain points we can browse. In the same window certain points can be browsed, right? That is called tab. That is called tab. So what do you mean by tabs? Tabs are the small area or the small place where we can open another things, I mean another idea, right? So there are many, the one window with many area that we can open it, right? That is called tab. Tab is a number of pages that can be opened in a single window. So each single window, each area is called tab, right? And so it is very advantage that we have in the web browsers. Web browser එකේ තියෙන එක වැදගත්කම තමයි tab එක තිබීම. අපිට lazy වැඩ කරගන්න එක. Then after that we were talking about creating a website. කොහොමද අපි website එකක් හදාගන්නේ කියන එක අපි සාකච්ඡා කරා. So creating a website means uh, what is the goal of the website? Why do we open? Why do we need the website? Is the first thing, and to whom we are going to use this, or else who is going to use the website? According to that, we have to plan the web pages, right? We're going to plan the web pages and navigations, use of information, use of images, use of menus, right? Menus, and also we can design the way that we want to the website, right? There are some layouts that we can select the layouts. According to the layouts, our information can be displayed in the website, right? So those are the things that we have to think about. Then when we are working about on this, there are many tools, there are many softwares that we have to use in the HTML tab, right? පුතා HTML ෆයිල් එකක් හදනවා කියන්නේ web page එකක් හදනවා කියන එකනේ, right? So you are going to creating web page means you are going to creating HTML files. Then by alone HTML you can't create a very good file. HTML කියන එක විතරක් භාවිතා කරලා අපිට හොඳ ෆයිල් එකක් හදන්න අමාරුයි. Therefore, there are many packages and languages that are being used to HTML. Then only the good website can be created. What are those? HTML, CSS. What do you mean by CSS? Cascade style sheet, right? And here mentioned PHP. That is PHP, MySQL. Those are the languages. Right, DW means Dreamweaver. So Dreamweaver is a package which we are going to use to create the HTML file. And PS means here Photoshop file. Why do we need Photoshop? When we are using images in the internet, we have to use that in the internet images in a certain place or a certain area only. So that Photoshop we must know how to cut and paste and how to edit the photo as we want, and we have to save it, right? For the editing purpose we use the image editing purpose we use the Photoshop packages, right? Something like there are many softwares that we are going to use to create HTML, the best or the good HTML file. පැහැදිලිද? හොඳ නිවැරදි ඉතාමත්ම හොඳ වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් හදන්න නම් අපිට HTML විතරක් තිබිලා බෑ. HTML මූල කරගෙන පාදක කරගෙන තවත් අනෙකුත් language සහ packages උදව් ඇතුව තමයි අපි පුතේ හොඳ වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් ඩෙවලොප් කරන්නේ. ඒතර හොඳ වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් කියන්නේ ඩෙවලොප්මන්ට් එකේ විතරක් නෙමෙයි. අපි මේ වෙබ්සයිට් එක හදන්නේ කාටද? කවුද මේකේ ටාගට් කණ්ඩායම? ඒතර මේක සිංහලෙන් ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන්ද කරන්නේ? මේක ආගමික පසුබිසක් තියනවද නැද්ද? මේ ගෑනු ළමයින්ද පිළ ළමයින්ද කරන්නේ? මෙන්න මේ ආදි වශයෙන් මේක ඉන්ටරැක්ටිව් එකක්ද නැත්නම් නැති එකක්ද? So we have to think a lot about that. So according to that only we have to design the layout of the web pages, right? So there are many softwares we use for the here Notepad. So we use Notepad, right? NetBeans, Microsoft Visual Studio, right? WordPress, Bluefish, Eclipse. There are many more packages that we are using to create HTML files, right? What we have done here in this computer with you, I use Notepad, right? Sometimes to create the HTML, some people are using Eclipse or sometimes NetBeans. Can be whatever the thing that can be done, right? These are the we call it IDE, right? IDE, that means in development environment, right? So that environment can be used by the softwares. So මේ softwares භාවිතා කරලා අපිට පුළුවන් පුතා මොනවා කරන්නද? HTML files නිර්මාණය කරන්න. So the tags are there. Tags means the elements, or the tags means the HTML. We use this open and close brackets like this, right? මේවට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ මොනවා කියලාද? Tags කියලා. නැත්නම් elements කියලා. So මේ elements are giving the browser an instruction to do what, how to do, and what to do. So this tags are the things that tags are the things which are going to explain the browser what to do and how to do. tag කියන එක තමයි browser එක කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙහෙම ගන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම ගන්න කියලා කියන්නේ ඒක තමයි. ඒ වෙන තමයි මේ browser එක අවශ්‍ය විදිහට මෙහෙම ගන්න. So there are many tags, right? Elements are there. These are the elements that we have used for those HTML tags. So do you know all those things? I think just let me know if you don't know about any tags here. මෙතන කිසි tag එකක් උඩ දැනෙත් නැත්නම් කියන්න බලන්න මට.
Got this, sir?
අයියෝ මෙච්චර අහගෙන හිටියා එන්න කිව්වොත් අහන්න බෑ එන්නේ නැහැ කියලා.
නෑ sir අන්තිමටම කිව්වද ඇහුණා sir.
ඔය ඔතන ඔය ටැග්ස් ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. ඕකේ නොදන්න ටැග් එකක් තියෙනවා අහන්න.
Okay sir. The bold face text.
Sorry?
Bold face text.
Bold.
Yes sir.
Yeah. This is bold means I'll show you then. When you look at here, if you want to make the bold, right? Bold means to make highlighted, like, right? So what you do, go to here. If you want to bold this, for example, first, you want to make it first bold, then go here, put tag B, right? And then comes here, finish the tag B. This is called bold. So that means in browser, the word first will be highlighted. Okay, you got it?
Yes sir.
Right. What else, others?
Sir center arrangement.
Yes, alignment. Center alignment means now something like this. Now here, can you see the screen?
Yes sir. I can't see the book.
Can you see now?
Yes sir.
Now here, this example HTML is a center of this page. Right? In the same way, if I want to make center anything from the web browser, so you have to type like this, right? For example, I put here center, right? Center, cross bracket, right? Then you type whatever it is. Then you close the center. What do you mean by that? So that means once you run this one, what will happen? This is testing this word. This testing words is becoming center of the page. Right, center of the page. It will appear in the center of the page. You look imagine that?
Yes sir.
Okay, what else?
Sir, a list with numbers කියන එක.
After
A list with numbers.
Okay. Barunu මොකක්ද හැව්වේ list with number.
Yes, sir.
පුතා එක ordered list එකක්. Ordered list එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ දැන් මම මෙහෙම දැම්මොත් එතකොට මම ordered list පෙන්නන්න ඕන. Now can you see wait, I will show you again. Now here, now can you see this slide? In this list, this slide, ordered list. Ordered list means like this. OL type is 1 and then LI. Right. So this will come like this. This is the example. Number 1, Colombo, number 2, Matra. If you want number 3, Kurunagala, what to do is, so type here LI, right? Kurunagala, LI, Vahana. So may OL can order list can number site list එක. ඒකට තමයි OL කියලා කියන්නේ. So there are how many lists are there, Zuna?
There are 3 lists, sir.
Very good, very good. There are 3 lists. One is ordered list, the other one is unordered list, the other one is definition list. Right? So this is what OL mean ordered list, UL mean unordered list, LI mean list. Right, what else?
Sir,
Definition.
numerical list items කියන එක.
මොකද්ද?
The definition list.
Yes, definition list. I'll show you the definition list also. This is the definition list. Huh?
Sir, that we did one is not.
What did you?
No, sir. I thought that menu was that definition list, sir.
No. This is the definition list. The definition list means, right, there is a heading and then there are some titles. Again heading and then there are some things like. This is called definition list. So DL is the definition list. So DT means definition title. Here copy is the definition title and DD means definition data. So you get the definition data. Right, again DT means title and DD means definition data. Okay, can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what else?
DT is definition. Sir, can you say the meaning to DD and DT again?
DL means definition list. DT means definition title.
DD.
DD means definition data.
In first for the coffee is a definition title and the black hot drink is definition data and again that milk is definition title and that white cold drink is definition data.
Very good. And online data. DL means the definition list. Right? DL means definition list. So Zuna, can you understand what is LI?
Yes, sir.
What is LI? Zuna, explain me what is LI?
Numerical list items.
So how we define? How the web browser knows that it is a list or it is a bullet? How the web browser is going to know about that? That means what I have taught you is not getting very well to you. Yes, Bhanurat?
සර් ඒකේ ඕඩර් ලිස්ට් එකේ තියෙනවා නම් ඒක අංක වලින් වැටෙන අන්ඕඩර්ඩ් එකේ තියෙනවා නම් බුලට්ස් විදියට වැටෙන්නේ.
Just right. Very good. Zuna, that is the point that I'm asking you. Now, LI means ordered and unnumbered. So, how the browser knows that it is ordered or unordered? I mean, how the browser knows it is a dotted bullets or else a number, right? So, according to the list that we are going to use. If somebody is using OL, so ordered list, that means 1 and 2 comes the list. If you are using UL, unordered list, that means it becomes dotted the bullets, right? LI becomes bullets. Clear, understood?
Sir, I cannot see a screen, sir.
Yeah, I didn't put any screen here. I only put the HTML list.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Sadhu?
Yes, sir.
කියපක තේරුණාද?
Yes, sir.
මොකද්ද තේරුනේ?
Sir, එතන sir මේ LI කියන්නේ bullets and numeric list items.
කොහමද?
Sir, order list එකේදී sir ඒකේ එන්නේ අංක. unorder list එකේදී එන්නේ bullets.
ඒතර LI කියන්නේ එහෙමයි නේද? LI කියන එක හඳුනා ගන්න එහෙමයි. ඒතර browser LI එක හඳුනා ගන්න අන්නේ ආකාරයට. Right, good. What else? Any other questions more?
Sir, line break.
BR means line break, right? BR means break, puta. But if you put P means paragraph. That means P means paragraph means it will be a down paragraph. Break means the same next line, right? Now look at here. මම මෙතන BR දැම්මොත් මෙන්න මෙතනින් මෙතනින් BR දැම්මොත් ඒ කියන්නේ මේක පල්ලෙහා line එකට යනවා. Just go to the next line, right? In the browser, not here in the browser. But if you put P means it goes 2 lines down. That means it's going to be paragraph. Now BR means break. That means it goes to the next line. Clear the difference between BR and P?
Yes, sir.
Right, what else?
සර් ඉන්ටර්ලයිසිස් ටෙක්ස්ට් කියන එක තේරුම මොකක්ද? ඉන්ටර්ලයිසිස් අර I එකේ සර්.
It is not italicization. Italicizing means italic. Italic means the words that within that text becomes the angle. Right? Words that within the text becomes angle in the browser. Angle means just a little bit forward to the back side or the forward like this. I'll show you here. If I put like here, see if I put like I here, right? Then I have to finish the I here, otherwise everything will become same. So that means when I do and put in the browser, that means the type attributes the words here, all are become italic. Italic means something like this.
Sir, data යනවා වගේ අකුරු ටික.
That's what I show you here. Here angle. Right? That is called italic. අපි තෝරාගත්ත ඒ within bracket එකේ තියෙන ඒ I සහ I අතර විතර තියෙන ඕනම එකක් ඒ ආකාරයෙන් සිදු වෙන එක තමයි වෙන්නේ. ඔයාලට පේනද වෙනස මේ? Right. තා මොනවාද?
සර් අපිට මේ අකුරු ලොකු කරගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අකුරු ලොකු වෙන්න පුතේ headings තියෙනවා. ඔකට පේන උඩ H කියලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ පොතේ. H කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා. H1 ඉඳලා H කියන්නේ heading කියන එකයි. ඒතකොට H1 ඉඳලා H6 දක්වා තියෙනවා headings. හරිද? ඔය ප්‍රමාණය තමයි අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. H1 එක, H2 එක, H3, H4 කියලා ගහන්න පුළුවන්. කොහොමද ගහන්නේ? දැන් උදාහරණයක් මම මෙතන ගහුවොත් එහෙම right? එනේ ගන්නවා H6 කියලා ගහලා මෙහෙම දාලා ඊට පස්සේ මම මේක ඔහොම ටයිප් කරලා මෙතන ගිහිල්ලා ඔය H එක මම ආය අහනවා right H6 තෝර එන්නේ මොකද මෙන්න මේ ඒරියා එක මේ type attribute කියන එක browser එකේදී පෙන්නන්නේ italic කරලා කියන ඇලවෙලා H6 කියලා font size එකෙන් H6 කියන ලොකු size එකෙන් එහෙම පෙන්නන්නේ but apart to that if I want to put any number of bigness of the letter, then I have to define as CSS, cascade style sheet. So that is where we need another software to modify the HTML file. මම ඒකයි කිව්වේ තනියම හොඳ HTML file වලින් විතරක් HTML tag වලින් විතරක් තනියම හොඳ web page එකක් හදන්න බෑ. ඒකට අපිට අනිත් ඒවාත් ඕනේ කිව්වේ ඒකයි. එතකොට අපිට ඕන size එක නිර්මාණය කරගන්න නම් ඕන විදියට ඒවා කරන්න නම් අපිට CSS කියන cascade style sheet කියන ඒක පාවිච්චි කරලා තමයි කරන්න පුතේ.
සර් අපිට ඕකේ අංක කොච්චරක් එකෙන් දාගන්න පුළුවන් සයිස් එහෙම?
ඒ කියන්නේ
සයිස් කොච්චරක් ලොකු වේට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා අහන්නේ.
ඒක ඔයාලට ඕන විදිහට පුළුවන් CSS එක හැටියට පුළුවන්.
ඒ කියන්නේ සර් ඒකට වැඩිම අංකයක් කිලයක් නැද්ද?
නෑ ඒ කියන්නේ කම්පියුටරෙන් බාර ගන්න ඕන මංකයක් කියා ගන්නවා.
ඕකේ සර්.
right වෙන මොනවාද?
Excuse me, sir, that
that
sir, can you hear me?
yes
Sir, in that one, we don't have that code in that. Sir, can you hear me?
yes
No, sir, that power cuts that why.
right I can hear you.
Okay, sir. In code, we don't have that, sir. In where we put like italic, like we can cut that letters on a line. How we should put that code, sir?
Your question is not clear for me very well.
No, sir. We put some bold and Italian way of that letters, sir. In that, how can we put that letters like cut? Like there was a line was coming to edit that, sir.
What do you mean? I think you are meaning. Now, supposing this type attribute word is there, no?
Yes, sir.
You want to make it a line in the middle of the text.
Yes, sir.
There is a tag for that. Right? There is a tag for that. Right? In that tags we can use it. Which is not given you because it's a little bit advanced tags are there. And so that will be learning in the grade 8. Sorry, not grade 8, grade 10. Grade 10 we have the HTML lessons where we are going to find out learn on those things.
Okay, sir.
I think you all are okay with the tags that you are given, no?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So finally, by using those tags, you can do finally you are using those tags. You can do like this web page, right? So you all have to practice that, keep it on, because by keeping practice, by doing yourself, practicing only, you will be learning the HTML. Otherwise, you will not learn. Only the book is remaining everything. Right. Up to that we did and we finished it, that lesson. Right. The summary is there. That we have finished everything. So that means the book is finished at this moment. So I want you to do the workbook from the beginning again. Right? That is workbook. So I take the workbook from the next time and go to the lesson number 1. Just explaining you, just very short brief. I was explaining you. Sorry, I will explain you the first lesson. Then we are going to do the activities. Then go to the next lesson. Before do the activities, I just explain you very briefly what is about it. Then we are going to do the workbook, right? Activities. Such like we are going to do the workbook also by with the revision of the paper, revision of the lessons, right? So I think so far you have got everything understood. Do you have any other questions to ask?
Excuse me, sir. By using these codes, we can create HTML page alone. Sir, how can we find sir also leave some space when typing some codes like that? How can we find it in which codes we need to have some space?
All right. Now when you're looking at here, that is called zigzag method, right? Which we call zigzag method. So when look at here, these are the method, no zigzag. That means this is a loop. Now everything is going under the HTML open and close tag, right? Then the heading is open, heading is closed. So under within that everything is there here. So then under within means we have to go a little bit intent. Go to inside. Now body is here and body is here. So within that we got inside of the body everything we are writing. So under everything here is under body. Here under body. Now everything here is under heading. So like that there are some tags. Within tags we are doing means we just go inside the tags and do it.
Okay, sir.
Right? By while doing by yourself, by you are doing means we will learn everything. මේක ඔයා විසින් තනියම කරද්දි බේරම හරියන එක. Yes, any other more questions?
සර් සර් අපි අර Google වලට ගිහ සර්ච් කරන විකිපීඩියා වගේවත් හැදලා තියෙන HTML files වලින්ද
මොන වගේවද?
සර් අපි Google වලට ගිහලා web page ඒවා හැදලා තියෙන HTML වලින් සර් අපිටත් HTML කෝඩ් එකක් හදලා ඒ වගේ එකක් වෙබ්සයිට් එකකට දාන්න පුළුවන් මේ සර්ච් එන්ජින් එකට දාන්නද
පුළුවන් අපිට වෙබ් හොස්ටිං කරන්න පුළුවන්. අපි වෙබ් පේජ් එකක් හදලා අපිට වෙබ් හොස්ට් කරන්න පුළුවන්. වෙබ් හොස්ට් කරනගෙන අපේ පේජ් එකේ ඉන්ටර්නෙට් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වෙබ් හොස්ට් කරනවට අපිට වෙනම ගාණක් ගන්නවා. They are charging for the hosting. Yearly, every year we have to pay for them.
Okay sir. සර් අපිට සර් HTML හදන්න notepad++ කියලා එකකුත් තියෙනවා නේද සර්?
ඕක තමයි මම ඉස්සෙල්ලා කිව්වනේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. ගොඩාක් පැකේජස් තියෙනවා කියලා මම කිව්වා notepad, notepad++, ඉංගියාම netbean නේද, wordpress, bluefish, eclipse ගොඩක් ඒවා තියෙනවා. notepad++, visual studio. There are many software that we can use. Right. Any other more questions?
No sir.
How can we put a title on to our website?
Here this is the title. Here. So title you put testing here.
ඒ කියන්නේ අපි මේ මොකක් හරි මේක Google එකේ හරි මේ ටෙස්ටිං කියලා ගියොත් අපේ වෙබ්සයිට් එක එනවා ඒ වගේ එකක්.
No. That is not the way. ඒක වෙන එකක් මේක වෙන එකක්.
අස ඒ වගේ එකක් දාගන්නේ කොහොමද?
ඒකට කියනවා පුතේ අපි සර්ච් කරද්දී අපි මෙහෙමනේ පුතා අපි වෙබ් හොස්ට් එකක් වෙබ් පේජ් එකක් හොස්ට් කරද්දී ඒකේ තැනකදී අපෙන් අහනවා keywords මොනවද කියලා. එතකොට අපි keywords එක ටයිප් කරනවා.
Okay.
ඊට උක මෙහෙම එකක් මම වෙබ්සයිට් එකක් හදනවා බාන්ඩෝ හදලා තියෙන shop එකක් book shop එකක් කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. දැන් මේ book shop එකට website එකක් හදනවා. හදලා අපි web host කරනවා. web host කරද්දී ඔයාට keywords වලින් දානවා book shop, බානුර, right, English book. ඔන්න ඔයගේ වචන ටිකක් දානවා අරගෙන. ඒතකොට අපි search කරද්දී ඔන්න ඔය වචන search කරද්දී අපිට අපේ site එක ඉස්සරහට ගෙනත් දෙනවා. right.
එකෙන්ස එක මේ අපි සර්ච් කරන එකට දෙන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් HTML මේක හදද්දී එක දාන්න ඕනේද?
නෑ HTML සම්බන්ධයක් නෑ ඒක. ඒක hosting කරද්දී කරන දෙයක්.
ඕකේ සර්.
web hosting කියලා කියන්නේ අපි ඉන්ටර්නෙට් දාද්දී කරන දෙයක් ඒක.
ඕකේ සර් thank you.
හොඳයි එහෙනම් අපි අද නතර කරමු. අපි next week එතකොට අපි class එක තියෙනවා because even though it is 4 day we will do it because of the last week we couldn't do the lessons well. Therefore we will continue the next week also. And thankful to you all and to your parents, those who call me and express their sympathy. So I must thank everybody. So just tell your parents that I tell thank you very much for being with me in my sorrow times, right? So let them to explain that it's very thank you because you are always keep with me. So I am having a very very strength, and you prayed for that. So thank you very much, right? Some of them also helped me, and some of them came to my house for the funeral, but everybody can't come. But anyway, so most of the parents were calling me and giving me their sympathy. So let them to thank you very much, right? Okay, then God bless you, and we will see you the next time.
God bless you sir. Thank you.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Okay, sir. God bless you, sir.
Okay.